Alright, in this video I will show you how to play around with the multi-segment, multi-digit segment, right? So, and I will show the code, simple code, right? Just to up down the counter, for example. I use the two middle digit, right? So we're going to use the push button and the uh, the the push button and the multi-segment, seven-segment, multi-digit, seven-segment, and also the userTick, right? Right. So if you look at here, push button A1, A4, B0, and next because no need pull up because we have the external pull up here. Then the multi-digit seven-segment use PA8, PA9, and PB5, right? Okay. So go to the push but for the set for the push button first. PA1 input, PA4 input, PPIO input, then PB0 PPIO input. I will use only two button, this button and this button actually for up and down. Then PA8 PPIO output in push pull mode. Then PB5, I think 5. Itu check. Okay. Yeah, PB5. Then after that, then just generate code. Then go to the driver. I go to driver. And then include all those files that we need, right? We need the userTick 1, 2. Then we need suis 1, 2. Then we need the multi-learning segment. All these 6 files. Move it to the include, for example. Asset. Copying the code the file. Then select all those C, .c, and then move it to source. So we have all them in source. Then as usual, just include all those files. So pound inc include user tick enter pound include double quote the suis enter, then pound include the multi-learning mal or double quote mal learning 7. Right, so we can look at that, right? So multi-learning, for example, here for the first, right, it has only 3 functions here. First, on off segment, so we can select the segment which we want to on and off, then convert to number to segment. To display it, we need to convert, right? Then multiply the segment. Multiply segment means this one we need to update it at the very fast rate at 4 milliseconds, around 4 milliseconds, right? Alright, so for the code, we go to the main. So first, right, we need to on off segment. So this one we going to off segment, and this one we're going to on segment, right? On segment, on the segment, then off the segment. Okay, semicolon, enter. Then we need to have two what we call to tick. So you need to init tick 2. Okay, so the first 0 the first one was all 0. We're going to use it for if check and update, right? 0 each 4 milliseconds. It's 4 milliseconds. Then we call a multiplex the segment, I think. No. Call the multiplex segment, yeah. Call multiplex segment. Multiplex. No default. Oh, sorry. Because we got an error there. Okay, multiplex segment. That's all. For the first. For the second one, then we will read the button. So for that reason, we need to button switch. So switch will be written as int8. int8. Okay. Multi-segment main right. So this one. Okay. So each check and update number 1. Okay. So 10 milliseconds, for example. Then we going to use read the button, right? Button. Okay. Buttons. Okay, we can use button 0, I think. Okay, button 0 equal to get no switch because the this one, the function switch, name of the function switch. Okay, sorry. And then okay, it is a standard practice. If you read the button, so you use previous and button 1 is a previous, then now button 0. Okay, so that one must be int, right? Int. Oh, you copy this one, right? Copy that one and place it here. Oh, it's already here, right? All right. Button, so it must be int8 underscore t, button 1, and then button 0. So just trick this one, a bit. So it means previously, if you not read the first time we read it, button 0 must be 0, not press. Okay, so take this out, and then check if the previous one, button 1, button 1, button 1 is equal to 0, not press. And then check if, and you can use if that button 0 equal 001, 001. 001 mean the SW1 press, so 0B 001. Then what we do, we up the counter. So we check the counter. Okay, so our counter with middle one, if counter less than say 20, let's say 20, enter. Then count 0 plus plus, increase it. Okay. And second one, else if button 0 equal to 1 0 0. That means decrease it, and then if count greater than 10, then count 0 equal to, we decrease the count, right? So copy these two, button 0 and button 1. No, button is already there. Count, okay, copy count. Okay, better count, you set it into UNT 16, right? UNT 16. So UNT 16 is count 0. Then we need another one, count 1. Right? So you can initialize that count 0 to say 15, right? 15. Okay, the middle of 10 to 20. Okay. Then next here we check if, right? If count 1 is not equal to count 0. Then you copy count 1 into count 0, count 0 into count 1. Then after that, we convert it. Count 0, right? Multiply by 10. Because we want it to be 1 decimal point to left. Multiply by 10. Okay, that's all the code. Compile it. But I think we left something here. Okay, maybe we need to, display count, count 0, when we start, right? So run it. Okay. Okay, it's downloaded now. Then should display, 15, this one, 15. Now if I press this button, it's increase 18, 19, 20. No, it cannot press. Then if I drop it, decrease it, right? I hope you can see that. Okay. Now 10, 11, 10. Okay, that's all.